ordered like 35 items, but this package, it came with like 25-ish, and then I guess the other 10 is coming today. So I guess I'll do a part 2. So today I'm gonna just open this stuff, and I'm gonna try it on too, so you guys can see how it fits me, so you guys can see like what sizes you need, if you like how it fits me, you know. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. First, I got some sandals. They're just some black sandals, and they tie up around the ankle. They're a size, I think like a European 38, but in reality, in American shoes, I wear a 6.5, 7.5. So I got a size 38. They fit pretty good. They're super cute. They were like 12 bucks. Oh, these, ooh, I love these. Like, these right? Oh yeah. These are super cute. These are some slides, and they're like, let me bring it up close. They're like bedazzled, and girl, look. These are super cute, bro. These are like $12. And these are a size, yeah, 38. So I got a European 38, and I usually wear like a 6.5, 7, and they fit perfectly. Girl, these are like $12. Don't quote me on the price, because I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'm gonna put every link in the description so you can see how much it really was. So if it's more than what I said, don't come, oh girl, you said it was so and so and it's not. Don't quote me. These are like some Birkenstock inspired black sandals. I got these in a size 39 because on the reviews it said to go up a size, and actually these fit perfect. Like if I would have went down to a 38, they would be really too small, but these are super cute. I know for a fact these are like $5. When I got them, these were legit $5, and they had blue, red, white, yellow, pink, all the colors. Let's see. And their packaging is so cute. These, oh, lace biker shorts. I got these in a size extra small because I love when my biker shorts and stuff. I'm shooting a video. I'm recording.
Right.
So don't say nothing. And don't walk past me.
I can go there.
Yeah, you can go that way. So I got these biker shorts in a size extra small. They have lace on the top, lace on the bottom. Really, really cute. They fit really good. They stretch, supposedly. We'll see when I try it on. I'm talking about they fit real good, but we'll see when I try it on. Girl, make up your mind. This, what's this? Girl, that's so much stuff. I don't even remember what I ordered, to be honest. Oh, this is this little blue one piece. It's so cute. And like the back is out. It's like a biker short unitard thing. I got this in an extra small too. So we'll see how it fit. Usually, because y'all, let me tell y'all the backstory. I usually wear extra smalls, but I've gotten a little thick. So some stuff I ordered extra small previously, they didn't fit no more. I had to get a small. So we'll see how those extra smalls fit. This little active 2-piece set in like a nice bluish grayish, and it has like little mesh holes on the side. I want to say this was around, I think $19-ish. I'm gonna just stop saying prices, but this is around $19-ish. It's really thick material. It's really thick. And see, I got this in a small because just looking at this, I could tell an extra small will not fit my body. I'm not the thickest girl alive, but I know for a fact that the extra small wouldn't have fit. So I got this small. Super cute. Super cute. Next caller. Oh, these. I got these cute little jelly flip-flops. They were like $5. I thought I was gonna stop saying prices. These cute little clear jelly flip-flops. They're just for everyday use. I got these in a size 39, but they look really, really small. So I'm gonna get them to my homegirl because I know I can't fit these. Next caller. Here is a orange two-piece skirt with like a cami, a ribbed cami. This is super thick material. For them to be so cheap, the material is so good and it's so thick. And this is a nice little orange. This is the top. And this is the bottom. And see, this looks wide, but it's a small, and I guarantee you it's gonna fit me because I didn't want to get it extra small because last time I got extra small something like this, my butt like ate it up, like seriously. So I got this in a small. Sir, see what's next. Next caller, cause you ain't talking about nothing, bitch. So here is, oh, this is like a black little biker short unitard thing. And I got this in a extra small. I always get my biker short stuff in extra small. So yeah, this is cute. You can just put this on when you go outside. Whenever outside open back up, that's something you just wear to the grocery store or to the nail shop. Get your eyebrows done, whatever you may please. That's not no club outfit though. I wouldn't, personally, I wouldn't wear that to the club. And I be seeing some girls wear that to the club, and that's not club attire. Sorry, it's not. Argue with your mama, not me. This, oh, this one's cute. This is gray. This is a gray little unitard, but this one, it looks a bit short. Like the torso, like, I look a little too long for this. It's an extra small, but we'll see. We'll see how this fits. It look a little funky. Next caller. Yeah, that TikTok is stuck in my head for sure. Oh, I be forgetting what the fuck I ordered. This is a little top, a little black top, and I believe, oh yeah, it ties in the front. It's really cute. Honestly, when I ordered it, I don't know if you can see, but it's like ribbed. I usually don't like ribbed clothes, but somebody was coming in my house. But I got the cameras. We got the cameras. I can see. But yeah, I guess we'll see when I try that on. I'm not really feeling it like that. Ooh, I was excited to order this. See, I actually remember ordering this. This is like a little two-piece, like a little flare pants to make your butt look huge. What size? Oh, this is an extra small too. Here are the pants. They flare. I love the colors. Yeah, okay, so the goal for this order, I wanted to buy a lot of clothes that I usually don't wear the colors, because I dead ass only wear like black clothes. Hello. So I try to get some little colorful, well, yeah, I'm gonna put this on. I guess I'll see when I try it on. Some colorful clothes. I'm not gonna lie, this is like the first thing in the package that like feels really cheap. It looked cheap too. I'm really picky with the clothes I wear. Like, I guess it'll look different when it's on. So we'll see. What we got? Oh, this is like one of the only outfits that I got that this came as an outfit. I didn't pair it, and it was only like $10 for the shirt and the skirt. So this is the shirt. It's a little West Coast California shirt. Cute little crop top or whatever. And this is the skirt that came with it. Looking at it in person, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna wear it together. I only ordered it to try to be different, you know, order stuff as is, you know, add a little touch to my little style or whatever. But I don't know. We'll see. I got this in a size small. That skirt looked a little big, so I should have got it in an extra small, but I got it in a small. We'll see. This. What's this? Oh, my butterfly dress. So this is the butterfly dress. They have this in so many colors. I could not decide what color to get. Of course, I got black when I just literally said I was trying to get new colors. But I wanted to see how it fit first so I could order other colors. I believe this is an extra small. And it is. Extra small with a little butterfly. I don't know why, but I'm starting to become very, 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 very very, very, very addicted to butterflies because I don't know, it's just, they're like, I don't know, I'm feeling brand new all of a sudden. Even though 2020 is trash so far, I'm feeling real brand new. Butterflies just represent, you know, rebirth and, you know. Anywho, this is the dress. It feels not too thin, not too thick. Like, you wouldn't be able to see my butt cheeks if I didn't wear no drawers with it type material. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah. Y'all know what I'm saying. It's cute or whatever. I'm just pulling stuff and pulling stuff and pulling stuff out this box. Ooh, my little exercise two-piece. Y'all, disclaimer. I buy active sets and don't even work out in them. They just be real cute. I just wear a little sports bra, some leggings, and a jean jacket out the door when I go to the store. Yes. This is like a cute purplish camouflage sports bra, and I bought it because it like crisscrosses in the front. You'll see when I put it on, and it like, it's like a racer back, and the leggings are super cute and camo. Like, look at this, and y'all, this is a size small, and look how small this is. So I knew for a fact I could not fit an extra small. This, I might not be able to fit this. Well, it stretches, so I might can get my little booty in there. For sure. Next, more butterflies. I love this packaging. It's so much better than like ripping plastic open. This is a butterfly cami with butterflies, and I usually don't buy stuff like this because it be looking cheap and like, I'm not bougie or nothing, but I don't wear clothes like this. But it just looked cute. It was like $4, so I said fuck it and bought it. And I love butterflies, but you don't even have no size. See, this is the ghetto. I believe I got a small. I don't know, y'all. Either a small or extra small, and this don't even tell you what size it is. But I plan on wearing this with some jeans, some sandals, some cute little shorts. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of the material, but I already bought it, so I'm going to wear it for sure. That's just that. Next color. Y'all probably like, damn, this that girl in butterflies. This is probably one of my favorites. Oh my gosh. It's like this oversized butterfly shirt. This is a small, but it's big because I just said it's oversized. Hello. And it's super cute. I love the color. I think I want to pair this with the lace biker shorts. Nah. I don't know. Knowing me, I would wear it like this with some little sneakers and some socks coming out the sneakers in a little crossbody bag. Hello. It's a look. And this material is good. This shirt for like a H&M shirt. The expensive ones, because H&M got cheap shirts too, but the expensive H&M shirts. This, okay. This was probably, I think this was like $15, which is crazy because I have outfits, whole sets that was less than a shirt. But you could, this is probably the best quality item in this package so far. I can't wait for outside to open. We only have a little bit left. I made a whole mess. But here's some shorts, some denim shorts. They're like distressed in the front, rippy rip. This is a size small. I don't think these didn't come in like numerical sizes, so this is a small. We'll see how they fit. I know I'm a little thick, but these look a little too big, but we'll see. But I was scared to get an extra small, but I don't know. We'll see how they fit for sure. But they're cute. I could pair this with the butterfly shirt. But with this, you won't even be able to see the bottom unless you like tuck it in. I know how to dress, so I'll figure it out. The last item in this package. Oh look, it got all the sizes right here on my receipt. Yeah. Oh, that butterfly crop top was a size small. Yeah, it was a size small. Yeah. So all of my items are extra small, small, and really just depending on how I feel and how I thought it would fit on me. This is the last item, and this is a bathing suit. And look at the bathing suit packaging. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Shein Bikini. Yes, sir. And guess what's on it, guys? Just guess what's on it. Butterflies. This is another butterfly piece. I should just call this the damn butterfly haul. This is a size small, which y'all see my boobs not that big, but I'm a little skeptical on how it's gonna fit. These are the bottoms. I usually don't wear bikinis that are like high cut in your crotch. This looks very high cut in your crotch. It didn't look like this in the picture, but we'll see. We'll see if these cheeks can get in here. I just don't like the exposure. Like, I don't have razor bumps or nothing, but I just don't like the exposure. But yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'm gonna do a part 2 of the haul, and overall, I'm gonna give you guys like the details. I spent, like, guys, this was like $190, not even $200, just for this package. This is like 25 items in here for less than $200. Like, this is some baddie on the budget type stuff. But there's always a catch. The shipping. I placed this order, I want to say April 16th, and it just got here May 5th. It just got here on May 5th. And this one I spent over $175, so I got the free express shipping. But I guess since due to the virus and all the foolishness that, you know, it got delayed a little bit. But yeah, and my other order, that didn't even ship yet, and I paid for that like a week after this, and it still hasn't shipped. And we're in May. I ordered it in March. Oh, I said March. I mean April. I ordered this April 16th, and it came May 5th. To me, that's a long time, but due to the virus, I'll let them have their little moment. But even before the virus and I ordered from Shein, it took a while to get here. So I would say that that's their only like downfall, is the shipping. But the prices, like, you could just wait. I would say order from Shein if you don't have to get nothing like immediately. Because if you need immediately, Fashion Nova is probably your best option, but you won't get Shein prices at Fashion Nova. So yeah, I hope you guys like the haul. This is my first haul, so if you didn't like it, oh well, I don't know what to tell you, but bear with me. I'm still new to this YouTube stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like the haul and enjoy the looks. I will have everything linked in the description, piece by piece, and stay tuned for the pictures on Instagram once I get Instagram back, because I did deactivate it for personal reasons. A lot of rambling. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm gonna show y'all my dress. This is not from Shein, but y'all should see how cute it is in the size extra small. Yeah, for sure.